Today, let me show you how to do eyeshadow. So, we're going to use this one, kind of like, it's kind of eyeshadow. So, let me have to show you the screen like this.
Wow.
And then let me show you how to do. Mom, guys, it's glittery.
It's glittery?
Yeah, look.
Whoa!
And so let's go get pink. Let's go get pink. Glitter pink. Mom, you want to take a we're taking a video?
Yeah.
Oh. So, we're going to use yellow color. Okay. So, let's go get yellow.
Oh, I love it.
I love it too.
Yeah.
Hit me. And then we're going to get shimmer and shine grip. We can get shimmer and shine glittery.
Ooh.
Let's go get it glittery.
Is that your blush?
Yeah.
Cool.
So let's go get this. This is a color like, I don't know. It's like this one.
Like gold?
Yeah.
Good job.
Let's go get gold. Get it here. Let's go get eyeshadow. Let's go get white. What do you want? Oh, let's go get. Let's do this. Oh. Now let's do that again. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, let me show you let's go eyeshadow. Let's go do this. Okay, here we are. So, what we can do eyelashes.
Oh, eyelashes.
So, let's go get glue. Mom, what's that, Mom? What's it? What
That's blue.
Oh. Let's get all that color.
How many colors are you grabbing? Oh, one of each?
Black.
Oh.
And that. And that. Look at all colors!
Ooh. See, we made a little cocktail.
And then on my nose. Mom, let's do shimmer and shine. So, we're going to do, Mom, let's go get, hi, potato! I'm a potato! Look at my funny face. La la la. Hi, potato.
Show them how you do your makeup.
Mom, let's do that. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, let me show you to do eyelashes. Let's go eyelashes. How about this one? That one's too small.
Oh, okay.
So one is gonna use this one.
That's for eyebrows. How about we do something else? Here, let me give you one.
What's the one down on it?
Let's do,
What we could do?
you could do this one.
To see? Oh, yeah. So. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, let me show you to do eyelashes. let's go get blue.
He likes it. Don't forget your lip gloss.
Oh yeah.
You want to do this one?
Yeah. So,
Say,
no,
what's the name?
I can't open it. I can't open it.
What's it called?
Okay. And then, Mom, let's do pink. Let's go get pink.
Let's go get it.
Here's pink.
Whoa.
And then let's go get shimmer. Put it in here. And then let's go get yellow. Mom, go order it. So. Thank you for watching. Bye.
You forgot something.
Oh wait,
Oh wait, you're supposed to say subscribe.
subscribe.
Why you put that? What's down there? The button?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. Are you posing? Okay, see you, girlfriend.
Bye.
Bye. Are you ready? You are?
Yeah.
Okay. How about now you say, thank you for watching.
No, not yet. Because I have a blue on the face.
Oh, you got blue on your face?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Because what happened to that?
What happened to that?
After I scratch it. And then we can do a polish. We're not going to see Richard. Let's do. Say
Oh, yay! What are you gonna do?
we're gonna do this one, or this one, or this one. Let's do this one.
Cool. Oh, your neck. Oh, okay. Get it, girl. You get it. You get that eyeshadow. You getting all the colors? Okay. All right. Yep. Cool.
Then we
Cool.
can do it. Right there. Okay. Let's go.
Missed a spot. Make sure you get that one.
I guess it. All right.
All right. All right. Okay, do that spot. Oh.
Well, let's do eyelashes, because I still want one. Oh, wait, let me show you. Oh, wait, we forgot what to do right there. Oh, wait.
No, wait, bye.
No,